Christian here with Pipe Doctor Home Services. Today we're looking at this carrier unit. Customer said that sometimes when the unit runs, it smells like burning smell. So I asked them if I could look at their thermostat, and their thermostat had the white wire for the electric heat wired up to W1. This is the heat pump system. It needs to be wired up to W2. So that was probably their issue. I'm going to start with this outdoor unit, and then when I go inside, I'll make sure that the heat strips aren't running. As long as they're not, then they'll be good. Okay, so it looks like they've got some lizards who wanted to be in here at the wrong time or something, I guess. Like a couple of them, man. That's crazy. So I'm gonna disconnect this board here, and I'll start cleaning all this up and checking everything out, make sure nothing's going wrong. Hopefully that board's fine. We'll see. Okay, so check everything out. Capacitor's a 40/7.5, and on hermetic side, I'm only getting 17, it looks like. So I'm gonna get them a new 40/5 or 40/7.5 capacitor. Apart from that, everything else in here, contactor coil, reversing out coil. Back of the board, we're good. Nothing's visibly fried. I already put the board back on, but I pulled the little screw off to get the thing off. And can't find anything physically wrong with the board, so hopefully nothing's wrong with it, with that lizard that was stuck behind it. But I'm gonna get a new capacitor, and we'll put that in now. Okay, so new 40/7.5 cap is in. I'll plug the board back in. I plug the harness back into the board here. And now I'll get to clean on the rest of the unit. Okay, so outdoor unit's done. I just need to hook up my vacuum to the drain there. And then when I head inside, I'll dump some hot water down the drain, make sure it's nice and clear. But I'll put some probes on this thing as well, let it run for a little bit while I'm inside, and oh, that came off. Get back in there. Let it run while I'm inside, and hopefully no issues. But we'll see. Okay, so system was running for a little bit. I got the doors off. Didn't check amp draw on the heat kit yet, but I was trying to clear the drain because I couldn't get my vacuum hooked up to the drain from inside. So tried to blow it out with nitrogen. Didn't have much nitrogen left in that tank, but I'll swap that out for the other one if this hasn't cleared it. But it looks like it popped the hose off. Okay. So hopefully I hook this back up and head back inside, and it will clear. Let's see what's in here. It's a bit of nasty water. First tip of the water came out nice and clear, shall we? Okay. Back inside. Alright, so it's on right now, just for the moment. But currently, the only thing I'm getting is an amp draw for the blower. I'm just on the power coming in, so that's the blower right now. We'll see if it spikes up. I'll let it sit for a minute. Don't want to let this thing freeze up. As long as that heat kit doesn't turn on,